Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. Look what I got. Haha! Wanted one of these for years. So, tore up the rest of the garage though. But I got that crate out of there. It was a great big crate back there, and I had all the logs running all the way over here. But right now, that's pulled out over there. That'll be fine. But the main thing is, I got a wood rack, and it looks really nice. That's got to come out of there. The drill press will be out of there probably tomorrow. But the cool thing is, I have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Next week, half days. Then we got another 3 half days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Another 3 half days. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then I got a week and a half off. I'm not going to pretend that I'm retired. I got work to do. This stuff has to get done. The neighbor's parking lot, all that snow, they pay me to put it in the backyard. So hopefully this rain will get it all melted down. This chicken coop, I got to get a leg right across there, and I have a 4x6 in the basement that'll go across the back. It has to be a 4x6 because that's the dimensions for where I'm going to attach the wheel base to. So that's cool. And the wheels, I believe they're about this wide, so I can get it, and they're inflatable, so I can get it in and out through the mud, through the snow, or what have you, and it shouldn't be too much of a burden. This thing is pretty light. It only goes up to about my belly button. That's why I made it into a chicken tractor, or I am progressing to make it into a chicken tractor. So it's light. It'll get out of here. It's just what is that? 4x4 treated lumber and some wheels. Big deal. All right, that's it in a nutshell. That's a major accomplishment back there, and I'll get the rest out of here in a couple days. I promise. Is my hand in the way? All right, have a nice sunny day.